Listen now, guys. They say something to smile about this morning is testing our agility, speed, and timing. Who will be crowned the champions?
What's that called? Pano football?
Of Pano football.
First thing is the football closer to your seat than to mine.
It's really like a Pano short ball. So what's going to happen is...
I'm going to sat around right here. And you is going to sat around over there.
I'm going to sat over here so while Neville was over there so. And then...
Take a look at the video so everyone knows what's supposed to happen.
Josh.
All right, that is what is supposed to happen now. With me and the great Samaroni, it's probably not going to happen how it's supposed to happen.
I don't see any time on the clock, produce.
The first thing, Samaroni, so that we don't run up into each other, you run on that side, and I run on that side.
Stay in your lane.
Yeah, you ready?
Wait, Shane will give us the bell.
No, we say after 3.
Oh, 3.
She teeth, you see? Here's such a teeth.
One love.
Hold on. All right, I accept this one love. When you say she thief, she start run before she even said the 3. Now, do not clap.
I said 3.
I will come in there. Yeah, but when you said 3, I make already.
That's not true.
Yeah, it is true.
You mustn't tell her lie. Go back over here.
Oh, we change seats.
That's one love. One love. One love. You're lucky just to have just one love.
So now you go in this side, and I go in. Dutch.
Ready?
No, because I closer to this seat again.
What?
You're such a crook.
After how much this?
No, it's not supposed to be closer to this seat because you're going to pick up this and get it.
It's not closer.
It is. It is.
Same size. Ready? Wait,
What do you go with that? All right, you see when I tell you, say she's the biggest crook in the world.
Wait. I'm so used.
All right,
let me recuperate myself.
After 3. Come now. It looks like you don't feel like me with this stick. Come now, man. Ready? 3.
Wait a minute.
It's your life funny.
I'm sore.
It's the same thing.
Laughing too hard.
Okay.
No.
It's right beside it.
Pull up back this.
It is right beside it.
Fine then.
No.
All right.
No, look here.
Any mark?
No, look here.
Listen for the bell. Shane, ready when you're ready.
You show mine far. I'm not playing no more. You see, they have mine out the road, you know. My stick out the road.
Oh my God. Too long. You really want to beat him so bad? I'm going to finish
By the way.
Finish
By the way, it's my chair. You put that in a while ago. So it's 1-1. It's your chair. It's
the own goal?
Yeah. You see, thieving people don't prosper for too long.
My belly is so sore.
No.
Oh.
So you just put it in my goal. So.
No, but that you...
Of course, you're supposed to get it and carry it back to the next goal. 1-1.
I'm confused.
No, when you reach it.
No, that was my point. But you alternate chairs. You were... Come again. The crook.
No. You're supposed to get it and carry it back to yours. Look at the video again.
No, if I didn't carry it back to mine, it would be our own goal.
Look at what they do. Watch. You carry it back to where you're coming from.
No, that's not what you just said.
Of course. Watch now. Watch. And she carried it back the next way. Jody said, we're not playing that.
Yeah, Jody. Thanks, Jody.
Come again.
We did it,
And could you put it beside and don't put it out the road like you did?
So you say you outer road it first, why outer road it down here now?
But that's something.
Wait, but it's... Wait!
You say wait. Oh, no, make up your mind. Oh, you never come down here this time. No, first thing Jody said, no, we're not doing that. And then she do it and Jody said, yes!
Well done. Side swag. Ooh, that was fun.
Now we get a 2-1 doing because you score for me.
No, I won.
It's 2, yeah, you win, but it's 2.
We won, yes we won, honey, we won. Whoa. Good job. That was fun.
No, I want to understand that it's one man against the world. I wouldn't sing that.
The world. The world.
It's night nurse, man. No, man. Gregory Isaacs.
Night nurse.
Stop the man. So Jody said, no, we're not playing that. And then she scored, and Jody said,
I would just like to thank all the people who trained me for today. I want to big up my team, Jody and Williams, who is a real rock star, and she really just got me mentally. I mean, physically I was ready, but mentally I wasn't sure I could do it, but with Joe in my corner. We did it, Joe.
Oh, we did it, to understand. It's me against Sheena, but how they end up with we, I don't know. It's one against one. All of a sudden. One time I was interviewing an artist, and he kept saying, we this, and I said, who is we? Well, my mother called me and said, Neville, on national television, you said, who is we? What kind of English is that?
We? Shame on you, my baby, is not we.
Well, all of a sudden I want to know who is we, because
and I. Equal?
We. Oh, the producer said we must thank her.
For what?
The old producer.
Oh my God, you're fired again. Ladies and gentlemen, that was something to smile about. Okay, you need to come in here and talk to your talent.
Something to smile about. You're supposed to be happy when it's done. Why me feel tired?
I'm ecstatic.
I'm tired.
I'm over the moon.
I'm tired.
We'll be right back, everybody.
Yeah, much more. Stay with us.
Fight! 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 Fight!